Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change name into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first you have to come over at the search option over here and then search for control panel. Here you can see there is our control panel. So if you click on open it, you will get this kind of interface over here. So if you just click on this back button, you can see it's a back button. You can do it into by Alt plus up arrow. After that, you can see there is an option called user accounts. If we click on user accounts, and then there will be an option called user accounts another time. So click on that, and after that, coming over here, there will be an option called change your name. So in my computer, it's not showing over here because some of Windows issues, but in your computer it will be over here, and from here you can change the name of your username into your Windows 11. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.